Trooper, and this is Koopa Trooper.
Koopa Troopa?
Yeah, Koopa Trooper.
Koopa Trooper.
Yeah.
I love my new toy.
I love my new toy.
Hi, Piggie. What are you doing?
Look at me. Look at my new toy. I love my new toy.
What does it do?
I have no idea.
Maybe it is a throwing toy. I love throwing toys.
Look at me.
Yeah.
Here, try it.
Yes.
Look at the eye.
Zip.
Like zip.
Mm-hmm.
Nice drawing.
Thanks.
Flip it over.
Here it comes. Zoom.
It's like, it was.
Turn, turn.
This is not good. Break.
Break. Oh, look at that. Look at the eyes.
Look at this.
Look at the mouth. Uh-oh. I broke your toy.
You broke my toy? Look at that. I am
My new toy. Oh.
I am mad. And sad. I am mad and sad.
I am so
You are sorry?
very sorry.
I do not care.
I do not care.
My new toy is broken. And you broke it. Wah!
Who's crying? Gerald.
And me. Cool.
According to what? Is it the squirrel? You have a break
Break.
and
snap
snap toy.
Snap.
Snap.
That is a fine toy.
Oh, they give a new toy.
Good job.
Look at the eyes. Piggy's trying. Break.
Snap.
Snap.
Look at it.
He's still not happy. Break. Snap.
Do you want to play with my new toy?
No.
Look at that.
You do not want to play with my new toy. I do not want to play with your new toy. I want to play with you. Friends are more fun than toys. You're it.
No, you are.
Oh, they die. Put it here.
Red.
Okay.
So this is Mario. This is Supersonic. This is Tails. I don't know.
Slow down.
This is a mushroom.
What is this?
Tails.
Tails.
And this is a mushroom. This is Sonic the Werehog. This is Goomba.
Who's Goomba?
I don't know, he doesn't have ones. Here's Bowser Jr. Here's Kamek. Kamek, I think.
Kamek.
This is Toon Link. This is Pete the Cat, as you might know. This is Diddy Kong. This is Paratrooper. And this is Koopa Trooper.
Koopa Troopa?
Yeah, Koopa Trooper.
Koopa Troopa.
Yeah. it's another video, and today we're going to be opening a Super Mario toy. Mario with a mushroom. A super mushroom, or whatever. Now we're going to open it.
Unboxing it.
Unboxing videos!
Are they just like a figurine mold too?
Yeah, like action figures. Mr. Mom's gonna help. Missy Mom. Missy Mom to the rescue. Okay, now we're gonna play. Okay, so Mario's just wandering around. How am I gonna get the princess? Until he finds a mushroom. Now he grows bigger.
Yeah, can you show it to them?
And now we got a Mario book. Over 50 stickers.
It's a lot of stickers. Good.
Bring on the bag, guys.
Yeah, there. 500 stickers, bud.
Yep.
Talking about 500, a lot.
There's a lot of stickers, people.
Okay.
So, guys, hope you smash that button and subscribe to our videos. I hope we do another video. See ya. Bye.
Can I see? Show it to them like that. Okay, where's the mushroom?
Ooh, a mushroom.
Okay, bye.
Bye.